In this video, we are going to see one of the JEE Main 2024 question from solenoid topic. The question is, an electron is projected with uniform velocity along the axis inside a current carrying long solenoid. Then the options are given. Now we see how to find out the answer. The given is current carrying solenoid. This is solenoid. So we have to connect the solenoid with the battery and a key. When the circuit is closed, current is passing from positive terminal to negative terminal. Next, we have to find out magnetic field direction using right hand. If the fingers of the right hand curl in the direction of the current, then the thumb shows the direction of the magnetic field of current carrying solenoid. That is, thumb direction is north pole. We know that the current carrying solenoid behaves as a bar magnet. So this is the north pole and this is the south pole. In bar magnet, we know that magnetic field lines are merge in at south pole, so that we can draw the magnetic field lines like this and merge out at north pole. So the direction of the magnetic field lines inside the solenoid is from south to north pole. Next, an electron is projected with a uniform velocity along the axis inside the current carrying solenoid, that is along with the magnetic field direction. Force can be calculated by using this formula, that is Q into V vector cross B vector, where Q is the charge, V is the velocity of the charge, B is the magnetic field. This cross product can be written as VB sin theta. The direction of the force of the charge can be identified by using this right and cross product rule. If the direction of this one is first vector, that is direction of the velocity of the charge, and this is the direction of the magnetic field, then the thumb shows the direction of the force on the charge. If the charge is positive, the direction is upward direction. If the charge is negative, the direction is negative, that is downward direction. In the given question, the magnetic field direction and the velocity of the electron travel in same direction, that is theta is equal to 0. So that substituting 0 value here, we get F is equal to 0. So no force on the electron. So the electron is moving along the axis of the solenoid with the same velocity. Otherwise, we go with this formula, that is vector algebra. Here velocity of an electron and magnetic field directions are same, that is along the x-axis, that is solenoid axis. So that we can write V vector as V into I cap into B into I cap. So Q into VB, I cap into I cap is equal to 0. So force is equal to 0. So no force acting on the electron. So the electron will move along the axis of the solenoid, that is along inside the axis of the solenoid with the same velocity. So the correct option is the electron will continue to move with uniform velocity along the axis of the solenoid. So the correct option is fourth one. This is the correct answer.